this lesson, we're diving into the rating method, one of the most widely used tools in performance management. Organizations rely on this approach because it brings structure and consistency to evaluating employee performance. Rather than relying on general impressions, the rating method provides a defined framework that helps managers assess performance in a more objective, measurable way. For HR professionals, this consistency is critical when making decisions related to compensation, promotions, and development planning. At its core, a rating scale is designed to clearly differentiate levels of performance. It allows managers to move beyond simply identifying whether performance is good or bad, and instead evaluate how well an employee is performing along a continuum. This standardization is especially important in larger organizations, where consistency across departments and managers ensures fairness and strengthens the credibility of the performance management process. One of the most common approaches is the numeric rating scale, where performance is assigned a value, typically on a scale such as 1 to 5. This method allows organizations to quantify performance, making it easier to analyze trends, compare employees, and identify high performers or those who may need additional support. From an HR analytics perspective, numeric ratings can be especially powerful because they can be aggregated and used to inform workforce decisions, talent reviews, and succession planning. Descriptive rating scales take a slightly different approach by using clearly defined performance categories instead of numbers. Labels such as exceeds expectations, meets expectations, or does not meet expectations provide meaningful context behind the rating. This can help both managers and employees better understand what the rating represents and what behaviors or outcomes are expected at each level. When done well, descriptive scales also support more meaningful performance conversations and clearer feedback. Checklists are another tool often used alongside rating scales. Instead of assigning a score, managers review a list of behaviors, skills, or outcomes and indicate which ones apply to the employee. This approach can help reduce subjectivity by focusing on observable actions rather than general impressions. It also promotes consistency, especially when multiple managers are evaluating employees across similar roles or functions. The rating method plays a critical role in aligning individual performance with organizational goals. By standardizing how performance is measured, organizations can make more informed and equitable decisions about pay, promotions, and talent development. It also provides valuable insight into skill gaps, allowing HR and leaders to design targeted development plans that support both employee growth and business success. While rating methods are highly effective, their success depends on how they are implemented. Clear performance criteria are essential so that all employees are evaluated against the same standards. Consistency across managers is equally important to maintain fairness. HR professionals must also be mindful of common rating biases, such as leniency, severity, or recency bias, that can impact the accuracy of evaluations. Training managers on how to apply ratings effectively is a key part of a strong performance management system. Rating methods provide a structured and scalable way to evaluate employee performance. Whether using numeric scales, descriptive categories, or checklists, the goal is the same: to clearly differentiate performance and support better decision-making. When designed and implemented effectively, rating systems become a powerful foundation for performance management, helping organizations drive accountability, recognize high performance, and support continuous improvement.